Hey everyone, and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to sort or organize products in Shopify. So this is extremely important if you want to focus on a particular products onto your landing page maybe and set them first. So you need to install this best sellers resort organizer that you can install. Click on install, and what this does is basically it allows you to set custom values and preferences which are going to be, and once you do install it, you will be able to see we have our dashboard. We can set sorting rules, how we want to order our products, and you can see it is currently loading. You can see currently set to automated. You can have that, or if you want to turn it off, you can sort it manually as well. Now you can see we have the order status, all orders, and below that we have margins and different rules. We have sorting rules, and then we have our tags and collection managers and many of the settings. So this is how it is going to be helping you to order and sort different stuff on Shopify.